seeking to deepen your understanding of voice spinning, I can help you with that. Would you like to use the opportunity of having more free time and somehow benefit from the apocalypse? On Patreon, I'm making at least one new tutorial every week, and I also let you decide what you would like to learn next. You will be able to have a live video session with me every week or every month, and you can also send me a video of your progress and I can send you a video back. This is useful when you feel like you got stuck on some move or if you're not sure if you're doing it right. I've been spinning poi for 12 years, in which I've developed my own style. I love when things flow and spinning becomes sort of a trance or a state of mind in which the geometric patterns become one with the body movement. I will teach you poi in a way that I perceive poi and share all my discoveries and lessons from my own poi journey. Since all my upcoming workshops and retreats were unfortunately cancelled, I've decided to give online teaching a try. It is also my only chance to keep my current job and not having to find another job, such as delivering pizza or selling drugs to kids. I understand that you too might be lacking finances, and that it's not only me in a financial crisis. We're all in crisis right now. But I'm trying to do this for as little as I feel it's possible. It is less than what you would pay if you normally came to my workshop or a retreat. You can give it a try, and if you aren't happy, you can unsign. I'm going to make this as much fun for you and for myself, and I'll be always very happy to hear your feedback in order to make this as good as possible. I am looking forward to sharing my passion with you. See you at patreon.com.